Hello guys, welcome back to Line App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to send money from Wise to bKash. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, if you're looking for a way to send from Wise to bKash here, there is something that you can do. So first things first is you want to add a recipient. So you want to go ahead and choose recipients here and click on add recipient. Now from here, you want to go ahead and basically choose your appropriate currency for this one. So in this case, you're going to choose BDT. And from here, you can go ahead and click on enter bank details. You could go ahead and choose myself or someone else. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on bKash account and just provide all the desired details. Go ahead and provide the full name of the account holder as well as the bKash account number. Now go ahead and click on confirm to save this. Now once you've done that, you could go ahead and basically go ahead and click on the home page here, and you could go ahead and just click on send. And from here, you could go ahead and choose your currency. So for example, you could go ahead and just type in the country. From here, specify the amount that you want to send here, and from here you can go ahead and basically click on the continue button or the option here that says add or add recipient, and just choose the recipient that you want to go ahead and send to. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line Up. Thank you for watching.